Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip south on US Highway 71, beginning in Sebastian County, just outside of Fort Smith, Arkansas. We enter the city of Greenwood, the fifth largest municipality in Arkansas and the other county seat of Sebastian County along with Fort Smith. Greenwood had an estimated population of 9,414 as of 2019. The city square in downtown Greenwood, now known as Greenwood Veterans Memorial Square, holds a memorial that honors the sacrifices of the uniformed servicemen and women. As a part of the Veterans Memorial Square, there's a circle of stepping stones called the Patriots Walk. Each stepping stone bears the name of a veteran on whose behalf families have contributed. The Patriots Walk surrounds the city clock tower. The clock tower, erected in 1976, stands in the center of the memorial. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our videos. We pass through the unincorporated community of Witcherville, platted in 1868 by William J. Witcher. A post office was established in 1875 and remained in operation until 1926. Previously, Witcherville was known as Salem, presumably because the pioneers of the area at the time preferred menthol. Wait, what? Who wrote this? Here, State Highway 252 runs concurrent with US-71 for 2 miles. We enter the city of Huntington, which had an estimated population of 621 as of 2019, a number that hasn't varied much since 1970. Huntington began as a coal mining town. In 1887, the Missouri, Kansas, and Texas Coal Company surveyed the site and selected it as a town site because coal was around the site, but not directly beneath it. The town was incorporated on February 4, 1888. The town was named after J.B. Huntington, a well-liked mine superintendent who died after his horse jumped from a bridge over the Cherokee Creek. We enter the city of Mansfield, which lies in both Sebastian and Scott counties. We'll be crossing the county line just after this curve. Mansfield was platted in 1887 when the railroad was extended to that point. The city was most likely named for William W. Mansfield, a justice of the Arkansas Supreme Court. We conclude today's video here. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a like, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.